Okay guys, so welcome back. So today we will do insurance chapter guys, bab insurance. So I think over here lah, bagi semua bab insurance ni sesuatu benda yang baru. This chapter is a new thing for everyone because this chapter just came in the latest KSSM syllabus. Kalau kamu cuba cari soalan sebelum macam tahun 2020, if you're trying to find questions from 2020, you don't see this chapter because this chapter is newly introduced from year 2021. So dari sekarang 2 tahun saja bab ni. So soalan pun tak banyak. There is not many question on this chapter because they only have 2 years contoh. Okay, so the best advice is try to do soalan percubaan negeri untuk bab ni because you can get a lot of questions from there. Trial questions for this chapter is quite important, especially for the calculation part. I advise you guys. Kat bahagian pengiriman tu kamu kena banyak cuba soalan percubaan negeri. Okay, untuk nampak soalan yang famous keluar untuk bab insurance. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so this is our chapter today. Okay, guys. So when we talk about insurance, guys, bila cakap pasal bab apa insurans ni, a famous incident come to our mind actually. Salah satu apa kejadian kat dunia sekarang sangat boleh dikaitkan lah. Something that happens right now in our world is related to this chapter. Can you guys tell me what's the latest news you guys hear? Apa berita paling terkini kamu dengar kat media sekarang? I want to relate this chapter to daily life, kehidupan seharian. What is the hot news now you guys see? Yes, correct. Israel dan Palestine. Okay, so why I say on this one? Because insurance is to help the victims. Okay, bab ni sangat berguna untuk memberikan pampasan kepada pihak yang mengalami kesukaran. This chapter is related to give compensation to those who are in suffer. Can be due to many things. One of it is accident. Macam mana kemalangan jadi boleh datang dari peperangan, from war. So insurance play an important role, especially in our modern time. Sebab kejadian macam tu lah. So maksudnya macam rakyat Palestin kena tuntut insurance dari syarikat lah. They have to get compensation from the insurance company. Kenapa? Sebab rumah rosak, their house spoil, burn down, bomb down, okay, by Israel. So insurance ni sangat penting lah. So I just want to tell about a recent happening to relate this chapter. Okay, so we start first. So pertamanya saya akan go to sikit teori tentang bab ni. I will go through a bit of the theory on this chapter, then we will go to the calculation part. Okay, so let me see first. Theory ni penting untuk soalan objektif saja. Mainly for objective. So first thing in insurance, you guys must know about risk. Okay, risk is actually the possibility of an unavoidable disaster, if not mistaken. Yeah, possibility of a disaster. Okay, kebarangkalian sesuatu musibah. Okay, dalam BM, itu adalah risiko. Okay, this definition, jadi boleh tanya dalam soalan objektif. This kind of definition can come out in objective question. Okay, so you must know lah all the terms. Okay, so next one, yang kamu kena faham is the relationship between pemegang policy, policyholder, and also insurance company, syarikat insurance. Okay, so this one actually ada hubungan dua hala kat sini. There are two-way relationship over here between these two party. Okay, policyholder is basically all of us lah, kita semua. Dalam term yang mudah, pemegang policy itu adalah orang biasa. This one is the company itself lah. So I want to ask you guys, pampasan ini diberi oleh siapa? Who gives the compensation? Which party? Insurance company or policyholder? Siapa beri pampasan tu? Yes, very good. Insurance company give the compensation. Okay, that's the first thing you all must understand. So I can write over here, compensation. Okay, how about the policy holder guy? Apa yang pemegang policy tu beri kat syarikat insurance? What does the policy holder give to insurance company? Can you all tell me? Because this is a two-way relationship, hubungan dua hala. Maksudnya satu pihak kena beri satu pihak pun kena bagi balik. So what do we all give this one? What do we all give back? Yes, very good, premium. Betul. Kamu semua ada satu pengiraan kan? We all have a calculation how to calculate premium. Okay, I hope you guys still remember the formula. Sebab yang tu yang paling awal. Okay, the earliest thing. But before that, sebelum saya pergi kepada formula, there are two types of insurance actually. Can you guys tell me apa dua jenis insurance yang kita ada? Dibagikan kepada dua. This one is fakta, facts. Yes, very good. Life insurance and general insurance. Okay. Insurans am dan insurans hayat kalau tak silap. Insurans hidup. Okay. So life insurance basically divided untuk tiga perkara. Death, critical illness, and loss of ability. Okay, I rasa kamu semua boleh faham yang ni lah. Jika kita bincang pasal hidup tu akan berkaitan dengan kematian, sakit teruk dan juga kehilangan keupayaan, loss of ability. Okay, these are the three major components in life insurance. Tiga komponen paling utama. Okay, sometimes they can ask also, so just be prepared lah for objective question. Okay, and then next thing, general insurance, guys. Can you all give me some example? Contoh insurance types of general insurance. Can you all state for me? Total we have 5. Try not to refer, guys. Cuba jangan refer pada mana-mana. Just try to think and see. What are the types? Yes, very good point. Motor insurance lagi. Insurance motor tu salah satu insurance Yes, very good. Travel insurance, correct. Lagi. Car comes under motor, Anusri. Already covered. Car dan motor, kereta dan motosikal datang di bawah motor insurance. Yes, very good. Medical insurance. Okay, yang ni yang paling common lah. Paling biasa kamu boleh nampak. Bila kamu sakit, you go to hospital to claim insurance. Okay, some more? 2 lagi. Yes, very good. Fire insurance. Okay, bila rumah kamu terbakar, you will have syarikat insurance tu akan bayar balik pampasan kat kamu juga. Personal accident. Yes, correct. Okay, bila kita terlibat dalam kemalangan jalan raya, contoh, when we involve in a road accident, this is the one that cover for you, personal accident. Okay, that's why you see whenever accident happen, the two party will try to fight out the case. Mereka akan cuba gaduh. Siapa akan bayar or will you buat laporan polis macam tu. This is the process lah, basically. Okay, so are you guys clear up till now? Semua faham dengan jelas perbezaan dua-dua ni? This one they like to ask. Kalau kamu tanya saya yang mana perlu fokus, which one to focus this one. Because I see objective question they ask you, what are the types of general insurance? So kamu kena pilih lah yang mana betul. So you need to know this 5, perlu tahu. This one actually is just memorized, nothing to repeat actually. I'm just saying the life insurance, the 3 major components is death, critical illness, and loss of ability. General insurance we can divide into 5. Motor, travel, medical, fire, personal, accident. Okay, these are all the types lah, semua jenis insurance yang kita ada. Okay, so untuk detail setiap yang ni, all this detail actually really you guys don't need to know. Tak perlu baca pun because it's wasting your time only. Lebih baik hafal subjek yang lebih membebankan macam sejarah. Better spend your brain capacity on more difficult subject like sejarah rather than reading satu per satu yang ni. Tak perlu. Don't waste your time. Okay, kalau keluar pun 1 markah saja, only 1 mark. So, if you think wisely lah, kalau kamu fikir secara bijak, kamu nak bazirkan 1 markah tu atau lebih banyak markah? Of course, you will sacrifice 1 mark, right? Kamu akan korbankan 1 markah tu demi mendapat markah yang lebih banyak untuk subjek lain. So, this is smart learning. Okay, belajar secara bijak. Okay, next one. Tapi kalau kamu minat, you all can read lah. If you have a lot of time, kalau ada banyak masa, boleh baca lah satu persatu kalau kamu minat bab ni. Okay, next one we talk about Okay, premium rate. Okay, this is an interesting part. Yang ni penting guys, because yang ni ada pengewan. This one got calculation. So they like to ask. Okay, so first of all, how to calculate premium? Okay, premium can be divided into two guys. Boleh dibagikan kepada dua. It can be monthly or annually. Okay, secara bulanan ataupun secara tahunan. Jadi, yang ni kamu kena lihat soalan betul-betul. You need to see the question carefully. Do they want you to find the monthly premium or annual premium? Because sometimes the question would like to trick you. Mereka akan sengaja trick kamu untuk bagi jawapan salah. Mungkin kamu tak darab dengan 12 sebab kamu kira yang bulanan saja tapi soalan minta tahunan ataupun sebaliknya. So, kena hati-hatilah. Okay. So the formula is, anyone can give me the formula? Siapa ingat lagi formula ni? Can you all type out for me? Pendek-pendek saja, tak perlu type panjang. Face value of RMX, yes, correct. Okay, that is the formula, guys. Okay, face value bahagi RMX. RMX ini biasanya soalan akan bagi tahu RM1000. The majority of the question will say face value per RM1000. Okay, so X ni kebiasaannya 1000 lah, tapi bukan semua case, not all the cases. Okay, and then this one premium rate. Yang ni kamu kena tahu baca jadual. This one you need to know how to read table. Okay, baru kamu boleh dapat kadar premium yang ni. Okay, so this is the formula over here. Okay, so we try with one practice. Okay, let's say yang paling biasalah kamu nampak. The most common example keluar dalam exam. Okay, mereka akan bahagikan macam ni. Saya nak tengok kamu semua boleh baca jadual atau tidak saja. Just want to check whether you guys can read the table or not. Okay, biasanya mereka akan cakap tentang tabiat merokok. Okay, always they like to talk about smoking habit. Guys, I write short form here. If non-smoker, saya tulis NS. Jangan kata kat saya itu Negeri Sembilan. That is not Negeri Sembilan, it's non-smoker. NS and S. This one is age. Okay, saya bagi secara random lah. Okay, let's say saya pick 37, 39 and 40. Nilai boleh jadi apa-apa guys. Tak semestinya kena satu pattern macam tu. 2.80. Kadang-kadang bila ada banyak nilai macam ni, kamu akan confused because a lot of values over here, so you must see carefully. Okay. Okay guys, so I say age 39, male smoker. Apa kadar premium dia? What is the premium rate? 39 years old, male and a smoker. What's the value? Yes, correct. Okay, this is the value. Okay, 39, male smoker. Okay, how about female non-smoker 40? What's the value? Yes, correct. 2.72. Okay, so you guys know how to read lah. This is how I check. Okay, so dari sini ada satu konsep yang kamu kena tahu. There is one concept you must learn over here. Okay guys, so if you notice all the premium rates can you notice the trend semakin bertambah umur, semakin bertambah kadar premium. The higher the age, the higher the premium rate. So can you guys think of a reason why? Mengapa macam tu? There has to be a reason supporting this trend. Kena ada satu justifikasi di sebalik pola macam tu. Very good. Risk is higher. Yes, higher risk. Because when you go older, you have the higher chance to die lah basically. Ada risiko kematian yang lebih tinggi. Jadi syarikat insurance tu pandai. The insurance company is smart. They'll put a higher rate for you. Mereka akan bagi kadar yang lebih tinggi. Okay, kalau kamu cuba fokus lah kat kolom ni sahaja, let's say. Let me use a different color. Okay. Just focus your eye on the male. Kalau kamu sedar, premium bagi seseorang perokok berbanding seseorang bukan perokok tu lebih tinggi. Why? Why is the rate for a smoker higher than non-smoker? I rasa kamu semua boleh bagi tahu sebab kan? Yes, higher risk also. Okay, higher age, higher risk. If smoker, more higher risk. Okay, because smoker kamu paru-paru akan rosak, your lungs will be damaged. So that is why syarikat insurance tu tahu, they know. That's why they impose a higher rate on you guys. Okay, mereka bagi kadar lebih tinggi. Okay, and also one interesting fact guys, salah satu fakta yang menarik, between male and female come already, gender inequality. Okay, which one more prone to die guys? Siapa lebih cenderung nak mati? Male or female? Correct. Okay, so male rate will be higher. Female, nanti kamu tak ada kelas lah macam tu. Kalau female tu lebih senang nak mati, very sad. You guys won't have class one if female got higher risk to die. Marriage also won't last long one. Okay, so just think like that. Kalau kamu fikir macam tu, kamu tahu jawapan dia ada. Male only got higher chance to die. Okay, so that is why the premium rate for male actually higher. Ya, ya biasanya kalau kamu nampak kebanyakan perokok tu juga lelaki. Okay, most of the smokers are actually male, not female. Okay, you rarely see a female smoking. Agak jarang. Okay, so next one. So all clear on premium rate? I think you all can do this calculation. Very simple only. Okay, so next one. This is important. Okay, this one is about motor insurance. Mereka fokus kepada salah satu insurance arm. They focus on one general insurance here, which is the motor insurance. Okay, motor insurance basically mereka akan cakap pasal motosikal dan kereta. Dua kenderaan saja. Only two vehicles. Okay, so over here, kamu ada 4 policy. You have 4 policies. This is very important. Okay, so can you guys tell me the name of the 4 policies yang kamu ada dalam insurance motor? Cuba senaraikan satu persatu. You have 4 over here. Yes, not complete even. Got one thing you miss out. Okay, comprehensive, correct? Yes, third party, fire and theft, correct. Got one more. Third party. I panggil TFT guys, third party fire and theft. Lebih ringkas. Then there's also third party. Satu lagi guys, there's one more. The most simple policy. Policy yang paling ringkas. Yes, correct. Act policy. Okay. Jadi kalau kamu cuba baca dari sini ke sini, it is getting simpler. Jadi lebih ringkas. Okay. So can I ask you guys, if from number 4 to 1 getting simpler, dari nombor 4 ke 1 jadi lebih ringkas, maksud dia nilai bagi setiap policy tu bertambah atau berkurang. The value of each policy is higher or lower. Either from comprehensive go till act. Will the value increase or decrease? Yes, very good. You will get a lower value. Okay. Nilai pun lebih rendah. You can see to the calculation later. Nanti kamu akan buat pengiraan, kamu akan tahu mengapa. Okay. So next one is about the table. Okay, yang ni I rasa saya kena tunjuk kat laptop lebih senang. I share the screen the laptop guys, so that easier for you guys to see. Sebab yang ni pun akan diberi dalam exam, so tak perlu risau. Kamu tak perlu hafal jadual yang ni guys, no need to memorize one. This one they will give in the question bila soalan tu tanya. Wait, let me find the page. Okay. Okay, so this is the page, guys. This one over here. This table over here. Okay, so kamu boleh nampak lah kat sini jadual ni. Okay, so basically setiap jadual ini, setiap baris dalam jadual ini akan menggambarkan sesuatu. Each row will tell something over here. So can I ask you guys over here, this column, cuba lihat lajur yang ni. Kalau mereka kata not exceeding, can you guys tell me what is the inequality symbol over here? Apa simbol ketaksaman dia bila cakap tidak melebihi? This one you guys must know sebab nanti akan bantu kamu untuk selesaikan soalan. So what is the sign over here? Yes, correct. Less than or equal to. Okay, correct. Not only less than, must have equal to also. Okay, kena ada simbol sama dengan. Okay, so let's say lah, I say 2494 cc. cc tu engine capacity engine. Okay, so will you refer to which row? Can you guys tell me? Yes, very good. 3050. Okay, betul. Okay, sebab 2494 tu dah lebih dari nilai ini. Higher than 2200. So you must focus on this row only. Okay, baris yang ni. Okay, so next mereka akan bagi tahu kamu nak cari yang policy comprehensive ataupun policy pihak ketiga. They will tell you, are you going to find the comprehensive or third party policy? Okay, yang ni I rasa semua akan tahulah. You all should know whether Peninsula Malaysia or Sabah Sarawak. Mereka akan bagi tempat kat kamu. They will provide. So make sure you guys good on the geography of states in Malaysia. Jangan kata nanti mereka bagi tahu satu apa what to say, bandar yang sangat ulu, nanti kamu tak tahu bandar tu kat Peninsula Malaysia ke Sabah Sarawak. Later you guys stuck over there, which one to do. Okay, sometimes they can give weird places name, guys, so jangan sangat confident tentang yang ni. Sometimes they boleh bagi tempat-tempat yang agak jarang kamu dengar, rare places, so you still need to know bawa yang ni ataupun yang ni. Okay, so next one, let's say lah, I give example. Okay, so sekarang saya nak cari policy comprehensive. I want to find comprehensive policy. Tempat tu Kundasang. The place is Kundasang. And the engine capacity tu is 4200 cc. So can you tell me the value? Apa nilai dia? 4200 cc, Kundasang, and comprehensive. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is the answer over here, 313. Okay, sebab yang ni lebih kecil atau sama dengan 4200 tu dah lebih besar dari nilai ni. Jadi kena tengok yang ni. Okay, you must look at this part. So nilai dia kat sini lah. Kundasang tu kat Sabah. Means that 313. Okay, so another example, let's say, okay, 1649 cc. Third party, Tampin. What is the value? Oh, not bad, guys. Betul. Okay, correct. 1649cc still can be included over here. Masih boleh tengok pada baris yang ni. Sebab lebih kecil atau sama dengan. So, it's 135. Okay, so you guys know already. Okay, so this is one thing you guys, kamu kena tahulah tentang yang jadual ni. So, can I ask you guys, the rate kadar untuk Semenanjung Malaysia berapa? What is the premium rate for for Peninsula Malaysia? This one you guys must memorize sebab takkan diberi dalam exam. It's not provided in your exam. Yes, correct. 26. Sabah Sarawak? Very good. 2030. Okay, ingat dua nilai ni sebab it won't be provided. Important value. Okay, so next kamu kena faham pasal formula. So this one I can go back to my tablet. Pengiraan ni sangat penting sebab setiap langkah tu berkaitan antara satu sama lain. Each step is related. Jadi kalau salah satu langkah tu silap, semua akan silap. One step wrong, the bottom all wrong already because kamu guna nilai sebelumnya. So this is the risk over here. Okay. So first thing kamu kena tahu macam mana nak kira basic premium, premium asas. Okay. So for the formula, kalau kita cakap pasal Peninsula Malaysia lah. Okay, contoh. Okay, Semenanjung Malaysia. So the formula is actually rate of first RM1000. Jadi saya nak tanya guys, nilai ni dapat dari mana? Where do I get this information from? Kadar RM1000 pertama tu. No, I mean where do I get the value? Mana saya dapat nilai itu? Not given the question. Yes, correct. Table. Refer pada jadual tu. You have to refer to the table for this value. Okay. So this one depend on the table value. So mereka akan bagi kat kamu. It's given to you. So no need to worry. So next one, sum insured. Okay, jumlah yang diinsurankan dalam bilion. Yang ni diberi kat kamu. This one is given to you in the question. Mereka akan bagi tahu. Lepas tu kamu kena tolak dengan 1000. Wait, divide 1000. And then kamu minus 1000 and then divide 1000. Sorry. Okay, kamu kena tolak 1000. Lepas tu bahagi dengan 1000 juga. Okay, so why do we do this guys? Mengapa kena buat langkah macam ni? Anyone understand? Why do we have to do like this? Mengapa? Just try to guess. Cuba teka. Mengapa formula dia macam ni? Mengapa kena tolak 1000 lepas tu bahagi 1000 kat jumlah diinsurankan tu? If don't know, you guys must say don't know. To calculate the rest of the insurance to pay. Partially correct. You almost got the point already. Yes, Westy, you got it. Each 1000 guys. Yes, kita kena nak kira setiap RM1000 berapa kali. This is why we divide 1000. Apa-apa nombor yang dibagi 1000 means we want to know each. Okay, setiap RM1000 tu. Okay. Jadi kita nak tahu berapa 1000 kita ada lah. We want to know how many times of 1000 we have. Okay, contoh lah. Kalau jumlah diinsurankan tu 89,000. Okay, minus 1000, divide 1000. Why do we minus 1000 over here guys? Mengapa kita tolak 1000 kat situ? I think Zeci already told. First 1000 already count. That is the answer for that one. RM1000 tu, yang ni, adalah sebab mengapa kita tolak kat sini. This is the reason why we minus 1000 over here. Okay, divide 1000. Yang ni punya langkah adalah untuk tahu berapa kali kadar premium tu tertakluk kepada. How many times the premium rate is subjected to. Okay, contoh kalau Peninsula Malaysia kita darab RM26 kat sini. Okay, so kita nak tahu bilangan 1000 kita ada kat sini. Okay, because the rate ni kamu kena faham adalah untuk satu RM1000 saja, satu kali saja, only one time of 1000. So berapa 1000 kita ada kena darab lah dengan nilai ni. We need to times the rate, kena darab dengan kadar tu. Okay guys, can you get the formula? Boleh faham? Sebab formula ni tak diberi dalam exam. This one is not provided. So you all must know one. Kena tahu. Okay guys, are you clear? Can you respond? Okay, So next one. Nanti kita akan lihat contoh, so jangan risau. This one is just the briefing only, bahagian teori. Okay, I put all because can be Sabah Sarawak juga. Anyone know the reason why? Kenapa kadar premium untuk Sarawak Sabah lebih rendah berbanding Semenanjung Malaysia? Okay, sure, wait. Okay, I ask the question. Why the premium rate for Sabah Sarawak is lower than Peninsula Malaysia? Anyone can guess? Mengapa bias antara dua-dua kawasan ini? Why is it not same? Mengapa tak sama? Remember we are talking about motor here, guys. Motor insurance. So jawapan kamu kena relate dengan yang ni. Very good, Keshaf. Less roads in Sabah Sarawak. Ada kurang jalan kat situ. In Peninsula Malaysia, we more to water transport. Correct also lah a bit. Yeah. Okay, terutamanya kat bahagian pedalaman tu. Anyone here Sabah Sarawak? Siapa kat sini dari Sabah Sarawak? Can comment? Oh, ada jugalah. Okay. So, kamu akan tahulah dengan lebih bagus apa yang saya cakap. Mungkin kurang jalan kat situ lah. Because I never been to Sabah Sarawak actually, so I don't really know. Tapi itu fakta lah. Kurang pengangkutan darat. Less roads over there. Okay? So, this the reason lah why. So, next thing kita akan lihat pasal amount of compensation. Okay, so this one kita bincang pasal loss and deductible. Okay, rugi dan juga deductible. Yang ni pun kamu kena tahu sebab suka tanya dalam soalan structure. Okay, they like to ask in structure question, this one. So first thing I want to ask, if loss greater than deductible, kalau rugi tu lebih besar dari deductible, boleh tak kamu claim? Can you all make a claim? Boleh, correct. Okay, so I put a tick for claim. So will you guys receive compensation or not? Adakah kamu akan terima pampasan? Very good. Okay, so got compensation. So bergantunglah pada nilai yang kamu ada, yang soalan beri. The question will give you the value. So compensation, how you count is loss minus deductible. Okay, rugi tolak dengan deductible. Okay, so second scenario, kita ada 3 case kat sini. So let's say sekarang, loss tu sama dengan deductible. So can claim guys. Boleh tak claim kat sini? Yes, very good. Cannot claim. Got compensation or not guys? Ada tak pampasan kat sini? Of course no lah. Sebab nilai sama, kamu tolak dua-dua pun dapat kosong. Okay, you will get 0 value. Okay, so that's why no compensation also. Okay, so third case. Loss tu, rugi tu lebih kecil dari deductible. So kat sini boleh claim tak? Yes, very good. Cannot. Okay, no claim. So auto bila nampak tak ada claim, there's no compensation also. Ini adalah hubungan dia. Okay, so these are the 3 scenario you guys must know. 3 case. So mereka suka tanya yang ni pun. Okay, so that is one part. Okay, next one kita pergi pada bahagian yang paling akhir dah. Okay, very end. Actually, chapter ni sangat ringkas. Nampak saja macam banyak sangat. But actually quite fast boleh cover. Okay, so next formula kamu kena tahu adalah pasal co-insurance. Okay, yang ni exam favorite. Okay, kalau mereka nak keluar soalan insurance, if they want to come out insurance question, mereka suka tanya tentang ni. I will say maybe 80% lah chance untuk keluar. They like this one. Okay, so formula pertama kamu kena tahu is amount of required insurance. Jumlah insurans yang diperlukan. Okay, so can you guys tell me the formula? Apa rumus dia? Amount of required insurance. Short form guys, type short form. Lebih senang. Yes, very good. Percentage of co-insurance times insurable value. Semua nilai ni mereka akan bagi kat soalan. Jadi tak perlu cari pun. Okay, they will provide all the value. So just substitute only. Kena ingat formula ni lah. But I think formula ni diberi dalam rumus. Kalau tak silap saya. This one is given right guys in the exam. I think so. Formula ni diberi. Yang paling basic ni mereka beri kat kamu. Okay, so this one actually given. So dari yang ni, kamu akan ada 3 case. You will have 3 cases over here. Mereka akan suruh kamu cari pampasan kat sini. They'll ask you to find the compensation in 3 different scenario. Yang ni, formula tak diberi. All these 3 following formula not given. So kena hafal. Okay, so the 3 cases is actually insured value is equal to amount of required insurance. Guys, anyone take BM sesiapa ambil BM boleh bagi tahu tak? Yang ni nilai boleh diinsurankan ke? Adakah saya sebut betul? Cuba check balik dengan saya sebab saya tak familiar sangat term BM tu ni. Adakah ini nilai boleh diinsurankan? Anyone take BM here? Betul lah. Okay, nilai boleh diinsurankan sama dengan jumlah yang harus diinsurankan. Okay. So this the first scenario. So jadi yang ni, can you all tell me macam mana nak cari pampasan kat sini? How to find compensation over here? What's the formula? This one is exam favorite question, guys. Soalan exam paling favorite. Very good. Amount of loss minus deductible. Okay, so this is the first case. Okay, still got some more cases. Wait, no. Okay, second case is about insured value less than amount of required insurance. Okay, so can you guys type the formula here? Apa rumus untuk yang ni? Kalau kamu tahu rumus je, sangat senang dah. Because all the values are given to you. Semua nilai dah diberi. Jadi kamu kena gantikan saja. Just substitute the value only. Tapi yang paling susah tu ingat rumus. To remember the formula is the hardest. Amount of insurance over amount of required. Yes, correct. Okay. So the formula is like this. Kamu kena cuba cari cara untuk ingat lah. You all must find a method to memorize easily. Amount of insurance purchase. Sebenarnya kalau kamu tanya saya lah, saya pun tak fikir lagi teknik macam mana nak hafal yang ni. Kalau siapa-siapa kat sini ada teknik macam mana nak hafal, boleh kongsi lah. If anyone has a method how to remember here, can share. Because I also cannot find. Kalau saya tahu, saya akan kongsi dengan kamu semua. But I still cannot think. Okay, tolak dengan nak selamat, kamu letak yang ni dalam kurungan. Just to be safe, just put it in the bracket. Minus deductible. Okay, semua yang ni akan diberi. Everything given to you. Okay, so next one, third one, situasi ketiga, suffered total loss. Okay, mengalami kerugian penuh. So can I ask you guys, apakah situasi yang akan menyebabkan kerugian penuh? What is the type of situation where you can assume total loss? Yang ni soalan tak akan bagi tahu. They won't tell you suffer total loss, tapi mereka akan bagi tahu satu lagi ayat kat kamu. They will tell in a different sentence, but it actually mean this one. Maksud mereka adalah yang ni. So can anyone tell lah? More specific. Very good, Haida. Whole house burn down. This is the keyword, guys. Soalan suka bagi tahu yang ni. Completely burn down. Completely burn down maksudnya total loss lah. Kerugian penuh sebab tak ada apa-apa tinggal. There is nothing left. So total loss. Okay, so question like to say this one. Soalan tak akan cakap yang ni. Tapi kamu kena tahu, you have to know that this is related to this. Jadi kamu kena guna formula yang untuk yang nombor 3 ini. Okay, so number 3 formula, guys. Can anyone tell macam mana nak kira pampasan kat sini? How to calculate compensation? Yes, amount of insurance purchase minus deductible. Kalau kamu sedar, guys, 1 dan 3 formula dia agak sama. Very similar the formula. Okay, so actually mereka ada kaitan lah antara satu sama lain. They are both related. Sebab kedua-dua pun tolak deductible. Both formula also minus deductible to find compensation. Okay, so any question here? Apa-apa soalan kat sini? Pasal formula. No, okay. So next one yang kamu kena tahu adalah pasal co-insurance percentage. Yang ni last dah. Kamu kena faham pembahagian dalam co-insurance ni. Okay, so co-insurance percentage dia boleh datang dalam pelbagai bentuk. They can come in various format. But I want to ask you guys lah. Boleh tak nilai kat sini lebih rendah dari yang ni? Can the first value be less than the second value? Yes, very good. Okay, so what does the first value represent, guys? Apa yang diwakili oleh nilai pertama tu? The first percentage over here. Yes, insurance company gives. Syarikat insurance tu beri pampasan. Okay, so usually biasanya syarikat insurance tu akan beri pampasan yang lebih. They'll always give. Tiba wrong first one insurance company. Always remember insurance company need to pay more. Kena bayar lebih banyak. Okay, the smaller percentage is for policy holder. Okay, nilai yang lebih kecil tu adalah untuk pemegang policy. Okay, selalunya macam ni. Okay, jarang kamu akan nampak 50-50 lah. Kalau kamu cuba banyak soalan, if you try a lot of question, rarely they will divide equally. Jarang mereka akan bagi sama rata. Selalunya syarikat insurance tu lebih besar dari pemegang policy. Always like that. Okay, so ini adalah antara yang sangat biasa lah pembahagian yang kamu akan nampak. Tiga-tiga yang ni. Okay, so dari sini kamu kena tahu satu pengiraan. Satu lagi saja. Okay. So this one, mereka akan bagi kamu senario macam ni. Mereka akan bagi tahu kos perubatan kat kamu. They'll give you a medical cost. Contoh lah, 22,000. Mereka akan bagi deductible kat kamu. RM500. Dan mereka akan bagi tahu percentage peratus co-insurance tu adalah katakan 80-20. Okay, 80-20. Okay, so now first question mereka akan suruh tanya apa kos yang dibayar by policy holder, pemegang policy. They'll ask you to count. Kira jumlah kos yang perlu dibayar oleh pemegang policy. Okay, so first step guys, what must you find? Langkah pertama kamu kena buat apa? Jangan lupa langkah ni sebab kadang-kadang boleh lupa. This step sometimes you can forget. Very good. Kena selalu tolak dengan deductible dulu. Okay, you must always minus the deductible first. So, kamu kena cari kos perubatan tu selepas deductible ditolak lah. Medical cost after deductible. So, kamu akan ambil nilai 22,000 tolak RM500. So, kalau kamu kira, kamu akan dapat yang ni. Okay, 21950. Okay, jadi dari sini, which value will you guys choose? Nilai mana kamu pilih? 80 atau 20? Which percentage? Yes, very good. 20 ya guys. For co-insurance, policy holder is 20. Okay, pemegang policy. Lower value. Nilai rendah selalunya pemegang policy. The lower value is always policy holder. Remember, always insurance company selalu akan bagi lebih. Insurance company will always try to cover you. Okay, mereka selalu akan lindungi kamu macam tu. Okay, so you will take 20% times RM. Member same mistake as me. So okay, now you guys make mistake is good. Buat silap sekarang tu bagus. Later, as long in trial SPM, you don't regret. Jangan menyesal nanti. Okay, now you regret is okay because it's just a normal class only. Okay, so guys, kalau buat macam ni betul ke tak? Can I just straight away calculate my answer like this? Very good. No. What must I add, guys? Apa kena tambah? For policy holder. Very good. Okay. So remember, pemegang policy tu selalu kena bayar deductible. Oh, wait Yeah, correct, Mejun. Thank you. Okay guys, this is the result Ini adalah hasil kalau kamu buat matematik dalam minda. I didn't use calculator for this one, jadi dapat salah. Okay, so always use calculator in your exam. Jangan terlalu overconfident. Okay, or else you'll make mistake. Okay, so this value, yang ni saya kena guna calculator. 21950 times 20. This one is 21500, sorry. Okay, so ingat kena tambah dengan deductible lah selalu. Times 20 over 100 plus 500. Okay, kamu akan dapat 4800. You will get this value for policy holder. Okay, for the next part, mereka akan suruh tanya cost borne by insurance company. Okay, mereka akan suruh kamu cari kos yang akan dibayar oleh syarikat insurans tu tersendiri. Okay, so how to count guys? Macam mana nak dapat yang ni? Percentage mana saya perlu ambil? Which percentage should I take? Yes, this time is 80, the higher value. Okay, 80% darab dengan RM. Ingat, kena ambil selepas ditolak yang ni. You must take this value. Okay, bukan yang ni. This one wrong. Okay, so you take 21,500. Okay, so kalau kamu kira, kamu akan dapat 17,200. Okay, jadi kamu boleh nampak lah, adil. Tengok ah, dua jawapan kamu. Cuba bandingkan. Try to compare these two. You can see that syarikat insurance tu akan bayar lebih. The insurance company will sumbang more money compared to the policy holder. Okay, so salah satu lagi perkara yang kamu boleh sedar adalah bila kamu tambah dua nilai ni lah, if you try to add these two value, untuk checking lah, if you want to check, kamu sepatutnya dapat nilai asal yang ni. Okay, if you try to add both value of your answer, you should get back the nilai yang diberi dalam soalan. Okay, this is a way for you guys to see whether your answer correct or not. Okay guys, so all the briefing on chapter 3 done already. Kita dah cover semua nota dalam bab 3. Are you clear guys? Semua terang tak tentang bab ni? Okay, so now we practice soalan. Okay, come. Okay, so first question, kita mula objektif dulu. So let's see the question. Okay, got NCD 45%. Okay, 1800cc. Jadi nombor 1 atau 2 kamu akan rujuk. Will you refer to 1 or 2? Yes, very good. You will refer to 2200. Okay, jadi Perak tu maksudnya nilai yang ni lah, because Perak is in Peninsular Malaysia. Okay, so can you guys count and see what's the answer you get? Yang ni sangat cepat boleh dapat. Okay, correct. Answer will be donkey. Okay, kamu akan dapat jawapan donkey. Okay, fast method guys. Kaedah pantas. Kalau kamu tak mau guna 45%, what percentage can I use guys? Peratus apa saya boleh guna? Kalau saya tak mau 45. Very good. 55% times this value directly. You get the answer. Okay, itu kaedah pantas. Tapi kalau dalam kertas 2, in paper 2, I advise you guna langkah yang lebih perlahan. Use the shorter step. Okay, because kertas 2 nampak working. They check on your working step. Jadi NCD is one of the working step. Jadi kamu kena tunjuk the pengiraan for NCD. Okay, jadi jangan guna shortcut lah untuk kertas 2. But paper 1 can. You all can use the shortcut. Okay, so next question. This is the working lah, you guys can see. So, rasa yang ni tak ada masalah pun. Okay, so we go next one. If any of you halfway got problem, you must tell lah. Kalau ada masalah tiba-tiba, jangan senyap kat situ saja. Okay, so next one. Okay, so this medical cost, deductible, how much he has to pay? Okay, 60 or 40 guys. Nilai mana kena guna kat sini? Very good, 40. Okay, so always the lower value, policy holder, pemegang policy. So can you guys try and see what's the answer? Yeah, correct. You must do that step first. Itu adalah langkah paling awal. Okay, kamu kena cari cost selepas deductible. Okay, correct. The answer is boy. Okay, if you count and see, you should be able to get boy. And also don't forget, tambah 800 at the end. Okay, because policy holder ingat kena bayar juga deductible. Policy holder must always pay the deductible. Okay, so you will get boy. So any problem? Okay, next one. Okay, now come the table already. Okay, so now you guys must read. 28-year-old man does not smoke. Okay, so what is the premium rate? Apa kadar premium kat sini? 2.13, yes, correct. Okay, so actually kat sini semua pun 2.13 lah, so doesn't matter actually, tak memberi impak pun. Okay, so can you guys tell the final answer? Yang ni pun basic pengiraan. Okay, correct. Answer will be C. Okay, jadi kamu kena ambil nilai muka face value times the premium rate bagi dengan RM1000. Okay, so this is the method. 140,000 times 2.13 divide 1000. Lepas tu tekan calculator saja. You will get the answer. Okay, so next question. Oh, got one more here, sorry. Okay, this one they say insurable value more than 500,000, 70%. So how much compensation will she receive? So you guys think this one is the first, second or third formula? Yang tadi kita bincang. Kita kena guna case yang keberapa? Which case should we use here? Cuba lihat keyword. Yes, very good. Tengok, hangus terbakar. Okay, actually, English so got burns down. Okay, so this is third case. Completely burned already. Okay, so formula dia adalah jumlah insurance yang dibeli tolak dengan deductible. Okay, but can you guys see, do we have deductible over here? Adakah kita mempunyai deductible kat sini? No, very good. Maksudnya, your compensation is actually the amount of insurance you purchase. Okay, so can you guys tell the answer? Guys, the C, C is actually the amount of required insurance, jumlah insurance yang diperlukan. It's actually D. Kalau kamu lihat formula betul-betul lah, the third formula is amount of insurance purchase, not the amount of required insurance. Dua benda berbeza. Kamu kena tahu banding bezakan yang ni. Jumlah insurance yang dibeli dan jumlah insurance yang diperlukan. Okay, there are two different things. Jadi untuk rumus ketiga yang ni is for jumlah insurance diperlukan. Sorry, jumlah insurance dibeli. Okay, amount of insurance purchase. Okay, means that you can direct take this value. Tak perlu guna 70% pun. Okay, because you will find a different thing already if you take the 70%. Okay guys, are you clear on this? Boleh faham? This one actually trick question. Mereka nak saja bagi 70% kat kamu. Nak tengok kamu faham tak? Bila kamu buat pengiraan ni, kamu cari apa sebenarnya when you take 70% times 500,000. Okay, so you will get D for this one. So next one. Okay, yang ni soalan fakta. So I think you guys can straight away answer this one. Dua faktor yang menyebabkan kadar premium meningkat. Two factors. Yes, very good, boy. Okay, boy will be your answer. Okay, so the two factors are age and smoker. Okay, semakin bertambah umur, semakin bertambah kadar premium. And also the higher when you are smoker, the rate also increase. So B will be the answer. Okay, so next one. Okay, this one is on compensation also. Jadi yang ni guys, case 1, 2 or 3. Saya guna nombor macam ni lah baru lebih senang. Are you sure? Don't say 3. Why you all say 3? Oh, yeah, correct. Yeah, completely burned down. Okay, I forget that one already. Okay, betul. So you will take the amount of insurance purchase minus the deductible. So what's your answer? Apa jawapan? Yes, correct. You will get donkey. Okay, jawapan akhir is donkey. Because this value sebenarnya tak perlu guna pun. This one you don't need to use. Because kalau kamu darab co-insurance tu dengan nilai boleh insurance, kamu dapat jumlah insurance yang diperlukan. Amount of required insurance. But they want to find the amount of insurance purchase. Yes, correct. Okay. So, everyone clear on this? Semua faham yang ni? Maksudnya kamu ambil nilai ni, tolak dengan nilai ni saja. First minus third value. Okay. So, next question. Okay, this one also. So, this one, first, second, or third case? Very good. Second case. Okay, yang ni adalah situasi yang kedua. Okay, mengapa? Because you can see they give you a amount of loss. Mereka bagi info yang ni. Info yang ni kalau kamu sedar hanya boleh guna pakai untuk the second formula. Only use for the second case. Okay. So, dan juga nilai semua kat sini bagi tahu kamu lah. So, what's your first step over here? Apa langkah pertama kat sini? What is the first thing you all must find? Wait, amount of. Wait, guys, let me see. Insures this house and the sun. Okay, wait, let me think a bit this one. Actually, Ashwina, insurance purchase already given to you. Amount of insurance purchase is this one. Okay, you can use this value directly. Yes, you must find the amount of required insurance. Kena cari jumlah insurance yang diperlukan. Jadi, you have to take this value times this value. Okay, nilai kedua tu darab dengan nilai pertama. Second times first value. Okay, then you take nilai ni bahagi dengan nilai ni. Okay, then times the jumlah kerugian, darab jumlah the amount of loss minus deductible. So, what do you guys get? Answer. Okay, Mirinda say B. Others? Kalau kamu dapat jawapan berlainan, jangan risau untuk share juga. If you just get different answer, you can share also. Okay, so everyone, the majority say B lah. Okay, so the answer will be B. Okay, correct. So if you count correctly, you should be able to get the value. So the working is like this. Okay, jadi kamu guna formula saja. Just use the formula. Kamu kena cari semua nilai yang ni. You have to find all these values. Okay, and also one tips guys. Satu tip kat sini. Pastikan nilai kat atas ni lebih kecil berbanding nilai bawah kat sini. The top value is always smaller than the bottom value. Why? Because of this condition. Untuk case yang kedua, syarat adalah mesti macam ni. Okay. So, pastikan pecahan tu nilai dia macam tu lah. The fraction on top, the number on top of the fraction must be smaller than the number at the bottom. Okay, so if you count correctly, you will get jawapan yang ni. Okay guys, so until now okay ya? Semua faham sampai sekarang? Okay, so we go next one. You can see guys, objective question also love to ask on calculation. Soalan objektif pun suka pasal pengiraan. Yes, correct. Insurable value usually value of the house, nilai rumah tu. Okay. So, can you guys try this one? Yang ni pun agak sama. See the keyword guys, completely burned down. So this one what case? 1, 2 or 3? Yes, always case number 3. Okay, total loss, kerugian penuh. Okay, so can you guys count and see? This question a bit special. Soalan ni menarik sikit. Try to tell me what's your answer. Apa jawapan kat sini? If you very understand on the number 3 case, then you will know. 435000. Wait, guys, let me check for you all. 55000. Okay, everyone say A, just wait. Guys, if you notice, the formula is actually amount of insurance purchase, If you guys try A, right? Kalau kamu cuba A, you're actually finding the amount of required insurance. Okay, two different things, You must remember formula number 3 is amount of insurance purchase. Just now I count how you guys get A is actually you take 80% of this, lepas tu tolak yang ni. But actually, if you realize, the third formula is actually amount of insurance purchase. So C. Not C also. If you see the formula, you will know. Mirinda, is that just tembak? You sure D? How you get D? If you use this formula lah, kalau kamu guna formula bagi case ketiga. But the
Hello,
insured,
Anna.
yeah.
Sorry, Anna. I joined late. I just back from another tuition.
It's okay, no worries.
Okay, Anna. Thank you, Anna.
Yeah, correct. That's why I say this question special. This question no answer. Sorry guys, soalan ni tak ada jawapan sebenarnya. This is why I want to trick you all. This question no answer. Yeah, that's why I say it's special. He insured his house at the amount of required insurance. Did the question say that? Yeah, actually correct. I see your point over there. But kamu kena, you have to realize this condition. This condition actually overruled the first case. The last sentence actually mean that it's actually case ketiga, the third situation. Okay, even the first situation, if you see the formula, do you have the amount of loss over here, Ashwina? Because first formula is amount of loss minus deductible, right? Do you have the total loss over here? Like, did the question give you? Wouldn't the amount of insurance purchase be the same as the required amount then? Yeah, I get your point. But means you're telling this value lah, isn't it? 550,000. Oh, wait. Let me see. Wait, let me think. I think I get your point. Wait. But still, right? Wait. Okay, I get it. Guys, correction. There is an answer for this. Okay, Ashwina pointed me something. This statement actually must consider. Good job. Pernyataan ini sebenarnya beri satu maklumat juga. This statement actually give you a meaning also. Because they say the insured value of the house is at the amount of required insurance, maksudnya kita kena cari jumlah insurans yang diperlukan sebenarnya. We have to find the amount of required insurance first, based on this percentage. Okay, so that value is actually equal to your amount of insurance purchase. Nilai tu sama dengan jumlah insurance yang dibeli. Jadi kita masih boleh guna formula yang ketiga. We can still use the third formula and then minus the deductible. Okay, correct. So can you guys understand the meaning over here? Boleh faham tak? I also got confused earlier. So if you try and see, I think the answer will be, let me check. What's the answer? A. Let me check. Okay, 440,000 minus 5,000. Okay, yeah, A will be the answer, correct. Okay, guys, this question, jawapan A. Okay, so good job, Ashwina. You pointed out that point to me. Okay, maksudnya kat sini is basically combining the first and third formula. kamu cuba gabungkan dua-dua info yang ni dalam satu formula. Because the both of the first and third formula actually similar. Kedua-dua pun agak sama. So we can use the concept. Okay guys, clear on this? That's why I was thinking, why this question actually no answer? Mengapa soalan ni tak ada jawapan? Actually got, because I forgot to consider the first sentence. Okay, so good job. So next one. Okay, fakta again. So this one you guys can straight away answer lah. So what's the answer? Okay, correct. Donkey. There's no such thing as death insurance, guys. Insurance kematian. Yang ni senang nak nampak. Okay, others all are a type of general insurance. Okay, so next one. This one a bit blur, but I hope you guys can see over there. If not, I have to write out the value. Barely, okay, I write out. So they say that the deductible is 350 and then cost 1550 and they ask compensation. So now can you guys tell the answer? Okay, correct. Jawapan adalah boy. So how you get boy? You just take cost minus deductible. Sebab cost ni basically adalah kerugian kamu. The cost is your loss over here. Okay, so loss is greater than deductible. Nilai kerugian tu lebih besar dari nilai deductible. Jadi kena ambil rugi tolak dengan deductible. Loss minus deductible. So you'll get this answer. Okay, so next one. Next question also I think blur, but I write out for you. Okay, this one is on co-insurance. Okay, this question interesting, not very straightforward. Deductible 650. Co-insurance is 7525. And he said the medical costs by policyholder lah is 6900. They want to count the actual amount of the claim. So can you guys try and see what do you get for this? First thing you must understand is what does the claim represent? Apa yang diwakili oleh perkataan claim tu kat sini? If you guys stuck anywhere, please tell me ya. Kalau kamu rasa stuck kat mana-mana, just tell. Because this question is not a routine question. Bukan soalan yang kamu nampak selalu. The question want to find the claim, Haida. So anyone got answer? Kamu kena buat anggapan kat sini. You guys need to make an assumption over here because one of the value actually not given to you. So can you guys tell me what is the value not given here? 28,000. Apa nilai tak diberi kat sini? What information is not given? Okay, Haida says C. Some more? Pastikan kamu semua yakin bila beri jawapan. You guys must be confident when you all give your answer. Ya, yang ni bukan soalan rutin. That's why I know. Guys, can you tell me what info not given here? This one not related to required insurance. Tak berkaitan. One info not given here. Apa info tu? Anyone can see Tengok kat sini, yang ni adalah kos perubatan yang dibayar oleh pemegang polisi sahaja. The medical cost by policy holder only. So what is missing here? Anyone guys? Do you all know what's missing here? I did give you a hint. They give you this one, policy holder. Part of it, but generally, the general picture. Don't look so specific. Yes, Mejun, correct. Medical costs in total. Can you see guys? Soalan tabari kat kamu. So you cannot find out actually what is the medical cost from the insurance company because you don't know the total. You have the deductible. Kamu ada deductible, but you don't know your total. Okay, so you must make assumption. Let your total medical cost be X. Okay, katakan jumlah kos perubatan tu adalah X. So you need to find the X first. Okay, so basically the answer you will get is C actually. Okay, answer is C. So this is the step actually. Can you see how I do it? Saya cuba ungkapkan nilai ini. I try to express how to get the 6900. Okay, so basically you have to think back lah, reverse thinking. Fikir macam mana nak dapat kos yang dibayar oleh pemegang polisi tu. How to calculate medical cost borne by policy holder. So you must take the co-insurance percentage of the policy holder, iaitu nilai lebih rendah, darab dengan kos perubatan selepas deductible, medical cost after deductible. Yeah, I know, correct. What to do? So you must take X minus 650 because X is your total medical cost. Okay, plus 650, don't forget, because deductible must be also paid by policy holder. Pemegang policy juga kena bayar deductible. So this value is actually equal to 6900. Remember the calculation we did just now, guys? Now is reverse thinking. They don't give you the medical cost. They want you to find it out. Mereka nak kamu cari kos perubatan tu dulu. Okay, so you just find out your X first. 25650. But that is not the amount he can claim yet. Because usually nilai yang boleh claim tu adalah selepas kamu tolak dengan deductible. You need to minus off the deductible. 0.25x plus 650 equals to 690. But you missed out on the minus 1.625. Let me check. What do you get? 650 divide 0.25. Oh, same answer. I think can lah. I see your step over here. You didn't include this one, right? The 650 over here, the minus 650. So actually equal to each other. It come back to the same thing. Okay, so that one actually faster method lah to direct find this answer. Tapi kalau kamu guna kaedah macam ni, you do this method, you must remember to minus off at the end. Okay, anyway, this answer not given also. Tak ada dalam pilihan jawapan. So if you see carefully, you have to minus 650. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, guys, because claim means is something that can be claimed by both parties, insurance company and also policy holder. Kedua-dua syarikat insurance dan pemegang policy tu boleh claim. So remember, we must always, in our calculation, we must minus the deductible, right? So that is actually the amount that can be claimed. Okay, not the total medical cost itself, bukan kos perubatan tu ke asal, tapi selepas ditolak dengan deductible. Itu yang boleh claim. Okay, claim tu datang dari peratus yang ni lah. Berapa nilai boleh claim? 75-25. Okay, jadi kalau kamu ingat balik, kamu akan darab dengan cost selepas deductible, right? You will times the medical cost after deductible, not the initial one over here. Okay, yang ni salah. Okay, guys, can you understand this question? Okay, so next one. Kalau kamu berlatih macam ni, if you practice like this, then you all will get really good at this chapter. Okay, so next one. Ashwina, this one is pengembangan, expansion. Wait, let me work for you. 25% I times inside to x minus 650. So 25% times 650 is the 162.5. Okay, because the percentage must times the medical cost after deductible. Okay, so next one. Okay, so this one I think should be no problem. So answer guys, this one fakta. Okay, very good. Answer is A. Okay, 20% is the policy holder. Okay, means he bear 20% of the loss. Okay, others all wrong lah. Pays 20%. We're not talking about premium here. Tak bincang pasal premium. 80% wrong, not the policy holder, is the syarikat insurance. Policy holder will receive 80% of advance value. This one we're not talking about face value also. Kita tak bincang pasal nilai muka kat sini. Okay, so the answer will be A. Okay, so next one. Okay, this one a bit tricky, but I think you guys can get it. This one got trickier, so be careful. Kena baca betul-betul. Anyone here trial coming next week? Minggu depan trial. Next week lah. Usually mathematics will be in first week, right? Because subject teras. Yeah, answer is B. Okay guys, this question kalau kamu cuba selesaikan, you will get the B answer. First day, oh yeah, you told me your school weird a bit at maths. I already started with Amali and speaking. Oh, good. That's a good exposure for you guys. I can see a lot of TikTok videos for batch 06. Okay, so this one, today speaking, favorite restaurant. Oh, okay lah, can talk a lot on that. If you are in Malaysia, you don't know favorite restaurant, very tough lah. You created own one, oh my god. You said Tiran's restaurant, is it? Okay, this one we just use the formula again lah. Okay, so you all must know increase 2%. Yeah, if you are Penangai, then you can talk a lot. 100% of 1280. Okay, kalau bertambah 2% tu maksudnya 102 lah, sebab 100 nilai asal tambah 2%. Then you times the value over here. Okay, so you'll get this one. And then kamu guna formula bagi kadar premium. Anyone here not been to Penang selain dari yang Pulau Pinang, the others over here? Anyone not been to Penang before? Siapa tak pernah datang Pulau Pinang? I'm sure everyone got come. Yeah, island guys. Bahagian pulau, not the mainland. Wow. So all been lah to Penang, I think. Okay, good. Mainland boring. That's what everyone say. Okay, so you will get this one, this value. Okay, but be careful because this value is 1 year. Nilai ni adalah untuk 1 tahun. Jadi kamu kena bahagi 12 to get the kadar premium. In the question, mereka mention annum. Annum means 1 year, guys. Okay, the keyword tahunan. Jadi kena bahagi 12 untuk dapat nilai bulanan, the monthly value. Okay, so you will get boy. So next one. Ada banyak soalan kat sini, so you all can try a lot. Okay, this one I think quite easy, guys. Answer? Very good. Fast and accurate. Best combo. 36 is donkey. Okay. So this one I think quite easy lah. You all just take 200,000 nilai muka, the face value, times with 1.55 kada premium bahagi RM 1000. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, so next one. Okay, which one guys? Not general insurance. Tengok, soalan trial suka tanya pasal ni. They like to ask on this part. Okay, correct, donkey. Okay, life insurance is not general insurance. Okay, yang lain semua is general insurance, insurance arm. Okay, so this one nothing much lah, all these factor only. So next one. This one is on calculation. This is the last objective. Okay, I think you guys can do this also. Deductible, co-insurance. Okay, yeah, you all can get the answer this one. Yeah, okay, answer will be C for this one. Okay, so basically they want to find the cost borne by insurance company, nilai yang boleh dibayar oleh syarikat insurance. Maksudnya kamu kena ambil nilai 80, the 80%. Okay, times the medical cost after deductible. Jadi kena ambil nilai ni, tolak this value, then times 80%. Then you will get this answer. Okay guys, so are you clear with all the objective before we go to subjective? Okay, so let's try subjective now. Subjective 100% calculation. Tak ada fakta kat sini. There is no fact over here. If come also very few lah, 1 mark like that at most. So all is calculation 100% in subjective. Okay, so they say deductible. Okay, this one also quite familiar. So can you guys count and see or not? Cost borne by policy holder. Nilai yang harus dibayar oleh pemegang policy. Make sure in the exam you write the full steps, okay, for paper 2. Kena tulis, jangan kira penuh. Six, 750. Haida, slightly wrong. Very close, sangat dekat. Lebih kecil. Haida punya nilai lebih besar. In between those two. Yes, Steven correct. 6610. Okay, jawapan dia adalah 6610. Okay, so if you want the working, you guys can see here. Okay, this is the working, the top part. Okay, I rasa yang ni choice saja. Mungkin yang dapat nilai tu lebih sikit, I think you guys forget this step. Am I right? Kamu lupa tolak 700. Kamu buat yang ni terus. Tengok saya boleh jangkakan dah. Okay, remember to always minus the medical cost. Yang tu banyak orang lupa, agak biasa. Okay? How you do lah? Only got one method, what? Don't scare me, Steven. If the method wrong, guys, kalau dapat jawapan betul in kertas 2, you might lose mark, okay? Sebab jalan kira is actually penting in kertas 2. Although you get the correct answer, but if your jalan kira kosong, your answer might not be accepted also. This is one of the rule, okay? 3250 minus final, minus the answer I got, then I got the final answer. Oh, maybe you do reverse thinking, Steven. I think you take this one. Did you take this percentage and count? Okay, correct. You take the total value minus the kerajaan. Okay. So it's basically the same thing lah. People will go direct. Okay, but you do the other way. 3050, not the total medical cost though. Yeah, it's not wrong. I see the idea there. Yes, correct. 3250 is the total. But I think you must remember, Ashwina, remember when we take cost borne by policyholder plus the cost borne by insurance company, remember I say you must check and see whether it's equal to this value or not. Do you remember just now I said it? So that is why T1 used this one for the reverse process. Okay, minus 80%. Oh, you got another meaning. Isn't the 20 to 50 the one covered by the insurance policy? What do you mean by covered? Oh, let me see the question. Wait. Medical. Oh, yeah. But I think you can assume it as the medical cost lah. Although the wording is a bit different, but you can still assume it as the medical cost. If not, you have no other way to solve the question because that's the only value given to you. Okay, jadi kamu kena anggaplah nilai ni adalah jumlah kos perubatan kamu. Just assume it because if not, you cannot count anyway. Okay, there is no other formula. What now you don't get it even? You got the answer, right? Oh, she actually telling because medical cost covered by policy, is it the same thing as total medical cost? That's what she's trying to mean. Okay, actually it's the same thing. Just too particular with the word. So actually you guys no need to care so much. But can we use the same way we did to find the total medical cost we did in the objective question? In this case, no, because if you realize this value is quite a big value. Okay, whenever you have a large value, it is going to be usually your total medical cost only. Okay, if you realize the question we did in the objective, there is no large value. Remember, they didn't give you any big value like that. Big value, I mean 10,000 and above. Usually 10,000 and above is medical cost. Okay, that is what I mean by big value. Nilai besar tu saya maksudkan lebih besar dari 10,000. Okay, so yeah, this is the justification lah behind it. Okay, guys, so we go Kelantan. Tiwan, I'm not so sure with your meaning, but I will not look so deep into it. Never mind, continue. Okay, Kelantan, guys. Okay, so this one almost the same thing again. I think you guys can do it. Can you all get the answer for this for me? Remember to minus deductible lah, guys. Kena tolak dengan deductible tu. Okay, so what you guys get? RM5140. Okay, correct. That one is for policy holder, guys. Pemegang policy. Okay, correct. So what is for the insurance company? $17,360. Yes, correct. Okay, bagi syarikat insurance, kamu semua perlu dapat $17,360. Okay, so this one, you all see over here, the working is here. Okay, so you all can get it lah, this one. Just find the medical cost after deductible, then use the percentage. Okay, so next one. Okay, let me see. Okay, we talk about this lah. So they ask amount of insurance, jumlah insurance yang diperlukan. So what is the answer, guys? This one quite easy to count. All the questions you have is 80-20. I'm not sure, Steven. I think some got 60-40 also. Doesn't matter one. As long you can apply the formula means you can get the answer already. Okay, guys, so what you get for A, part A? Yes, very good. So you just take this value, nilai ni, darab dengan nilai ni. Then you can find amount of insurance, amount of required insurance, jumlah insurance yang diperlukan. Okay, so this one, what scenario, guys? Part B. Which case? 1, 2, or 3? Yes, very good. Case number 3. Okay, because whole house fire. Okay, this is the keyword. Okay, so can you guys tell yes or no? Will he get the compensation 500,000? Okay, so reason kena bagi justifikasi juga. Sum insured not the same as required amount. Wait, more than insured value. This one they say insured value is equal to amount of required insurance. So means that it's the amount of loss minus deductible. Guys, if you realize here, you actually have no deductible, you know. Kamu tak ada deductible kat sini. So can you guys think again? Will the value be same? So will you get the same answer or not, guys? Still no, Are you sure? There is no deductible here, you know. Tak ada deductible kat sini. So how? If you refer to the formula, amount of compensation is amount of loss minus deductible, or the amount of insurance purchase minus deductible. By insurance is 37500. Oh, yeah, wait. Yeah, you won't receive, correct. Okay, because of this statement. You see, I guys get tricked again because of this statement. Okay, correct. Sorry, So the insurance still 37500 means you won't receive. Correct. Because yeah. I think it's just due to the brain getting tired. Okay, I also human, guys. You all must realize. Don't think every question I can answer in this world. Bukan semua soalan pun saya boleh jawab. I'm also human, so sometimes I might not be able to see also. Okay, so basically this answer 375,000 you get is actually less than this. Means you won't get the compensation lah of 500,000. Okay, so we talk one final question lah for today. This question quite interesting. Okay, last question guys, soalan terakhir. Okay, the rest you all can go to. Very few left only. Okay, so can you see here guys, 9 marks, one question. So this question actually can be a bonus for you guys kalau kamu tahu cara nak buat, and it can also be a killer. Sebab kalau nilai ke atas salah, let's say this one wrong, all will be wrong because everything adalah berkaitan. Okay, so can you guys tell for the first column, can you guys tell me the value for this one? How to calculate this one? Macam mana nak kira nilai yang ni? You have these two info over here. 1603.7. Izzati, kalau kamu cuba recall formula tu, tolak ke tambah? Yes, correct. Plus both, correct. Okay, so kamu tambah dua-dua yang ni, the value will be this one. Okay, yang ni I rasa senang lah. Kamu ambil 30% dari nilai yang ni. Kamu buat pengiraan lah, you do the calculation. But make sure this value correct, baru yang ni akan betul. Then gross premium, you take, let's say this is 1, this is 2, you take 1 minus 2. Jawapan kat 1 tolak jawapan kat 2. Then you will get number E answer. Okay, C minus D. Okay, so next one, we talk about third party fire and theft. Okay, so basic premium guys, how to count? Macam mana nak kira premium asas bagi policy pihak ketiga tu? Very good guys. Remember, this is an important point. This one, when you always come, this is a fixed rate, guys. Kadar tetap 75% of the basic comprehensive value. Okay, jadi yang ni kamu akan darab dengan yang mana, guys? Which value will you times over here? Which part? Bahagian mana? Very good. Basic premium means your answer in C lah. Nilai kat C. This is how to do. Okay. Then NCD 30%, yang ni ulang balik saja perkara sama. You take 30% times your answer in A. Okay, darab dengan A. Lepas tu, premium kasar, gross premium, A minus B. Okay, very good. Okay, last one. How you get this value, guys? Macam mana dapat nilai ni? How do I get basic premium? Very good, from table. So can you all tell me the value here? This is the information. So can you guys tell what is your value to use here? 2594cc, and then where's the info? Sabah. Sabah is right hand side. Third party. Yes, very good. Okay, kamu akan guna yang 93.602. And then kamu repeat saja step sama. This one is 30% times A. This one nilai A tolak dengan B. Okay guys, do you understand this question? So if I ask you guys, total 9 mark, how many marks you guys can get here? Berapa jumlah markah boleh dapat? If this question come in your exam. Cuba letak target. Just put how many marks you think you guys can get. Confidence sikit lah guys. Yeah, very good. 9. Okay. Easily you guys can score 9 mark actually. Kalau kamu tak cuai. Okay, because yang ni saja, permulaan yang ni saja penting. The first step of each column is important. Kalau first step tu betul, semua lain akan betul dah. Okay, langkah pertama is always the most important. Okay guys, so yeah, we done for intensive lesson 6 already. So do you guys understand the chapter better now? You all say you all hate insurance, tak suka bab ni, all that. Lebih faham, huh? Okay, good lah. Especially this chapter, I feel like not many people like it. I still hate it. Ayo, sorry lah, I cannot make you like it even. More than 3 go. Oh, that's a lot of hate. Okay, so never mind. I still give you guys a quote. To study and not think is a waste. To think and not study is dangerous. Okay, so harap dapat maksud lah kat sini. I think you guys can get the meaning over here. So the asas is you must study. Okay, no matter what, you must study. Jangan terlalu fikir tentang perkara-perkara yang akan berlaku. Don't think so much about the future. Just think about studying. I hate to ego more. We'll come to that chapter, guys. Don't worry. Kita akan datang pada bab tu. Okay, so again, if you all want to share to your friends, this is my channel, okay? So if you want to kongsi video-video saya kat rakan kamu, maybe especially during this trial time, right? You all want a quick revision, just see my YouTube lah, tengok YouTube saya sebab banyak bab ada kat situ dah. A lot of chapter, especially at maths. At maths, a lot of chapter I uploaded there already. Only very few I never cover. I think only 2 or 3 chapter. Dude, will you do classes for all the derivation of formula? Oh, you mean proving Steven? Kamu maksudkan soalan buktikan, right?